Hey friends, and welcome to this video. Friends, I will show with you how you can upload video to YouTube with N8N. So friends, go click on create workflow and click add first step, and from the search write for YouTube, as you can see here friends, and then scroll down, click upload. Look for option to upload video here, as you can see here. From here click create new credential, and from here write your client ID and secret codes, and then click save. This is how you can do, guys. It is easy steps, and I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and then you will upload it successfully without any problems. So friends, I will again, all you have to do, you can also add your title of this video to remember how to make money, and write your categories, name, ID, and operations. Click add the steps, for example, and click add, and click execute setups. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on other videos soon.